Let's create a notification preference rule to use whenever an escalation ticket is raised. From the On-Call Notification Preferences tab on the Schedule page, select Create New to create an escalation rule. First, we'll give the rule a name. We can define several combinations of active days and hours for our rule. For the example, we'll set our time from 8 o'clock in the morning until 5 o'clock in the evening, and choose the workdays, Monday through Friday. We also want to add 3 types of notification by selecting the Add New link 3 times. We'll save this, then choose our delivery channels. To do this, we'll select Edit, and under the Emails tab, select Add New. Under the Phone Numbers tab, we'll do the same. First, let's add a primary SMS notification and input the number. And for a secondary notification, we'll add a call notification and input that number as well. We can add more later if we have the need. Now we'll select Save and our notification preference is set.